Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito. Mga gabay, mensahe, advices ng tarot cards for Pisces again sa araw na ito. Okay? Reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi. And, ang energies ay pwede pong vice versa, babae, lalaki, LGBT man, yung nanonood or yung mga taong dinidil nyo po, lalo na't konektado sa ating reading ngayon. Again, take lang sa mag-resonate. Pag hindi, huwag po nating ipilit. Okay? So, ano po ang message po for Pisces sa araw na ito? And this is a timeless reading pala Pisces. So kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo to napanood. Pag mag-resonate again, take lang. Okay? Ano po ang mensahe po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Queen of Cups, ikaw to Pisces. Kahit queen siya, pwede po siyang mag-resonate sa lalaki. Okay? Or sa LGBT or sa babae mismo. Wala po tayong gender specific. So, there's a Queen of Cups. Pwedeng ikaw to Pisces, you're more focused on something na vina-value mo. Okay? Or pwedeng sa emotion mo kasi Cups is all about emotions. Okay? Or pwedeng you're taking care of yourself right now, okay, or something na merong sentimental value sa'yo, okay? So, pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa negosyo, bila kung naiisip yung word na negosyo, or bagay na matagal mo nang meron ka and inaalagaan mo to, okay? Basta merong emosyon na konektado sa kay Queen of Cups, okay? So, ano pa po ang message niyo po for Pisces? Okay. 9 of Pentacles. Wow. Again, there's a something na pinapahalagahan mo ngayon. Okay? Binibigyan mo ng oras, binibigyan mo ng focus. Okay? Binibigyan mo ng something na attention. And meron itong connection sa pera. Okay? Or sa material na bagay. Again, sinabi ko kanina, merong sentimental value, Pisces. Nakikita nyo sa sobrang gandang babae na nandito. Marangya yung pananamit niya, okay? Meron pa siyang mga coins dito and pwedeng mahilig ka sa grapes, Pisces, or pwedeng mahilig ka sa wine, pwede din, okay? And meron tayo ditong parang ibon. So, ito yung parang inaalagaan mo. Ito yung parang symbolizes as your pangarap, okay? Or something na binavalue mo ng sobra. And maraming pera, Pisces. So, as of now, there is something na merong connection sa material na bagay. Pwedeng ito ay sinabi ko kanina, negosyo. Pwedeng nakakapag-isip ka ngayon na parang nag-iisip ka ng panibagong ideas for negosyo, okay? Or parang bigla akong naisip yung word na DIY. Okay, so parang meron kang iniisip yung DIY. Do it yourself po yun. So, meron kang iniisip na negosyo na mostly ikaw yung gumagawa or ikaw yung parang magpo-process nito. Okay? Basta merong gagawin ka sa negosyo na ito or kung hindi naman, pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa material na bagay na kung saan sobra mo itong pinapahalagahan and punong-puno ng emosyon. Okay? And sobra mo itong vina-value. There's a sentimental value of this thing. Okay? Kung hindi naman bagay, pwede ding ito ay merong connection sa relasyon na kung saan pinapahalagahan mo ng sobra, Pisces. Okay? Nag-invest ka dito. You invested your time, okay? Your effort. Again, sinabi ko kanina. Okay? Pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa material. Pwede din merong connection sa relationship. Pwedeng relationship with your lover. Pwedeng relationship with your friend. Okay? Your specific special friend. Pwedeng best friend, close friend, okay? Pwedeng family member, katrabaho, okay? Negosyo, as I said kanina, or material things, okay? There's an investment or there is something na sentimental value, okay? So, ano pa po ang message po for Pisces? Pwedeng meron itong punong-puno dito. Tingnan nyo Pisces, dalawang kulay, yellow and blue. Okay, so pwede merong significant meaning ng yellow or blue colors. Okay, pwede favorite color mo to or something na merong parang significant meaning nun. Inulit ko lang, okay? Yellow and blue. So, ano pa po ang message po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Wow, nag-flip. Oh, yes, more on investing, planting a seed, Pisces. Okay? Kumbaga, meron kang hinihintay, meron kang ininvest, and hinihintay mo na, alam mo yun, lumago. Again, sinabi ko kanina, pwedeng ito ay negosyo, pwedeng meron kang iniisip na panibagong ideas, ano ba yung gagawin mo sa negosyo na ito, ano ba yung mga bagay na makakapag-enhance, makakapag-upgrade, okay? Kung hindi naman, pwedeng ito ay relationship na kumbaga, there's something na waiting, you invest your time, you invest your effort, you invest your love, okay? Pwede din. And as of now, you're planting the seed and you're waiting for something, okay? Nakikita niyo nagtatabaho siya and punong-puno ng coins, punong-puno ng pera. So, it's either mostly kasi parang pera to eh. Okay? Pero meron tayo ditong Queen of Cups. So, there's also included na emotion. Okay? Take nyo lang po Pisces kung saan po mag-resonate. Basta there is something na waiting, investment, okay? Upgrading, especially for something na negosyo or pera. And also, there's a sentimental value or effort. Okay? For this situation or for this relationship. Okay, so ano pa po ang message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Okay, meron na flip, meron pa dito. Oh wow, the Fool, Eight of Cups, and the Strength. Oh, sa Eight of Cups natin dito and also the Strength card, pareho silang 8-8. And also, meron tayo ditong halo. Okay, infinite symbol. So, 888 Pisces. Okay, so pwedeng nakakakita ka ng repeating numbers na 888 or pwedeng tingnan nyo po sa online kung ano po yung ibig sabihin nun. Okay, and pwedeng mag-resonate yun sa inyo. Bottom of the deck. Yes, there is something na waiting talaga, okay? And you're surrendering everything to God. Pero naghihintay ka talaga. Meron kang pinapanalangin, meron kang minamanifest, meron kang hinihintay. Nakikita nyo there's a Four of Wands and you surrender everything to God. Nakaganon yung kamay niya, nakapray, parang position yung kamay niya and meron tayo ditong altar. Okay, so you're waiting for something, you're praying for something. Pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa pera, pwedeng ito ay merong connection sa relationship. Okay, you're planting the seed Pisces or there is something na relationship, situation, trabaho, negosyo na parang meron ka ng in-effort, meron ka ng binigay, meron ka ng ginawa. Pero there is something na hinihintay mo. There's a waiting season. Okay? And there's the Fool. The Fool represents something na new beginning, new experience, upgrading into a better situation, Pisces. And you're surrendering everything to God. Just go with the flow. Okay? Kasi everything will fall into places, Pisces. Okay? Pag yun ang will ng ating Panginoon, yun yung mangyayari. And the most important is you surrender everything to God, okay? Siya bahala kasi siya yung nakakaalam. So there's a new beginning, there's a new experience for you to face, okay? To walk on. There's a new path na lalakaran mo and just go with the flow, Pisces. Enjoy the journey, okay? And there's a Eight of Cups. Pwede meron kang kailangang i-sacrifice, okay? Kasi nakikita nyo meron tayo ditong taong naglalakad palayo. You have to sacrifice, you have to control your emotion, and you have to trust the situation. You have to trust the process, okay? Kasi habang naglalakad ka palayo, you have to, you have to move forward. Hindi pwedeng nakastuck ka lang. Hindi pwedeng, yes, you're waiting for something, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun is, ipopause mo na yung buhay mo because of that situation or because of that person. Okay? As long as you're moving on, moving forward, doing everything on your life, okay? You have to trust the process. Kailangan mong magpatuloy sa buhay. Just keep swimming, Pisces, okay? Just keep swimming and trust the process. Surrender everything to God. Kung ano man tong hinihintay mo, pinapanalangin mo, pag sayo, darating siya sa panahon na hindi mo ine-expect. I don't know kung naririnig nyo, pero yung butikid dito, tumutunog siya. So, pwede meron itong significant meaning of yours, Pisces. Pero kung wala naman, it's okay. So, there's an emotion, there's an investment, there's a money, there's a negosyo, okay? But bigla akong in-emphasize yung word na money. Okay, so there's a money, medyo madiin pagkasabi ko kanina, so meron po connection ito sa pera. Okay, sa negosyo sinabi ko kanina din, pwedeng sa love, relationship. Okay, and you're planting the seed, you're waiting for this moment, you're waiting for the person, for the situation na minamanifest mo, okay? Pero at the same time, habang naghihintay ka, you have to do all your usual things, okay? And kung meron mang panibagong journey na darating sa'yo, grab it, okay? As long as makatulong ito sa'yo for you to, for you to keep moving forward, okay? Just keep swimming, Pisces, and trust God's timing, okay? So, yun lang po ang ating reading sa araw na ito. Pasensya na po kung meron po kayo naririnig na mga ibon sa background natin, okay? Naway nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading, Pisces. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!